Hey, Dr. Romano, I've been looking all over for you. What's that on the board?
I want to go over a really great question with you that'll help you for the DAT exam. I gave you a complex ion, and it's actually a cancer drug that interferes with the DNA and causes DNA damage. It's known as cisplatin. If you notice, there's 4 different ligands. We have ammonia here, and we have 2 chlorines. And the question is, what would be the formula of the platinum nitrite based on this structure? Well, if you mentally release these 2 ligands, you get neutral ammonia. So that would just give you a PT and a Cl and a Cl. And if you released these 2, that would put a minus and a minus. So you have a -2, so that would give me a platinum +2. Now that we know that platinum is +2, you simply write PT, which is +2. Nitrite is an NO2 -1. And then all we would do is write PT. You put your little brackets around it, NO2, taken twice. And there you have it. That would be the structure of platinum 2 nitrite. Notice if it said nitrate, it would have been PTNO3, taken twice. So there you have it, making sure you can find an oxidation number from a complex ion and then be able to write a formula once you know the charge on the complex, or charge on the metal.
Great, Dr. Romano. Do I have to know that for the exam?
Absolutely. A question like that landed. Good luck to you. Bye-bye.
Oh, boy. Thank you, Dr. Romano. Good day to you, sir.